In my today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make a chocolate cake, and that too without oven. To prepare this yummy chocolatey cake, here I have taken 2.5 packets of bourbon biscuit. But if you want, you can use any other chocolate biscuits of your choice. And our second ingredient is 1 teaspoon of chocolate essence, 1 sachet of regular Eno, 1 cup of warm milk. I'm going to slightly break it and transfer it into blender. And then we have to make a fine powder of it. So this is how it looks. Now I'll transfer it into a bowl. To this I'm going to add 1 cup of warm milk. Now I'll keep adding milk into batches and mixing it. So now the entire milk is used up. So this is how it looks. Thick and smooth flowing consistency. This is ribbon stage consistency. Now we'll keep it aside for 2-3 minutes. Now we will preheat the cooker, and in this cooker I'll place this ring. And now I'll cover it with the lid to preheat it for 8 to 10 minutes. Now we will keep the cake tin ready. Now I'll grease it with butter. I'll grease all the corners nicely and place the butter paper into it. And again grease it with butter. Just after 2-3 minutes, we will add 1 teaspoon of chocolate essence into it and mix it well. Now just before transferring the batter into the cake tin, we will add 1 teaspoon of plain Eno. Now I'll pour just 2 teaspoons of milk into it just to make it more active. Now I'll mix it well. Now I'll transfer all the batter into the cake tin. Now I'll tap it a bit. Now I'll place it in the cooker for 30 to 35 minutes in low medium flame. After 30 to 45 minutes, now let's remove the lid and check it. Now I'll insert the knife and I'll check it. Cake is done, and now I will remove it and let it cool down for 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 to 15 minutes, now I'll demold my cake and I'll show it to you. Now after demolding, I'll remove the butter paper and I'll show it to you. See, my cake is done. Now I'll flip it and I'll show you. Now I'll press it and I'll show it to you. See how soft this is. I'll show you from all the sides. Now I'll garnish the cake with some chocolate sauce and some walnut. Now you can see my cake is ready. Now I'll cut it and I'll show it to you.